Hello.
Hi, welcome to Pottery Painting Day. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to paint a mug.
You want to paint a mug.
That's great. Have you painted pottery before?
I not paint pottery before.
You have not painted pottery before? No problem. I can show you how.
What I need to start?
You need a mug and some paint. We have many colors.
Can I use 2 colors?
Yes, you can use as many colors as you like.
How long it take to dry?
It takes about 1 hour to dry. Then we bake it.
Is it hard to do?
No, it is easy. Just have fun and be creative.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try painting.
That's wonderful. Your mug will look beautiful. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Digital Skills Drop-In. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to learn to use a tablet.
You want to learn to use a tablet.
That's great. Have you used one before?
I not used tablet before.
You have not used a tablet before? No problem. I can show you.
What I do first?
First, press the power button to turn it on.
I press this button.
Yes, that's right. Now, wait for the screen.
It is on now. What next?
Now, swipe your finger to unlock it.
I not know how to download apps.
You don't know how to download apps? I will teach you step by step.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try new things.
That's wonderful. You will use the tablet easily soon. Hello.
Hi, welcome to Rooftop Yoga. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if I can bring my friend.
You want to know if you can bring your friend?
Yes, friends are welcome?
I not bring friend before.
You have not brought a friend before?
No problem. It's more fun together.
Does my friend need to sign up?
No, your friend can just come and join.
What should we bring?
Just bring a yoga mat and some water.
Is it okay if we are beginners?
Yes, this class is good for beginners.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try yoga with my friend.
That's wonderful. Enjoy the class and the sunset.
Hello. Hi, welcome to the herb walk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to pick some rosemary.
You want to pick some rosemary?
That's great. We have a big rosemary bush here.
I not pick herbs before. You have not picked herbs before?
No problem. I can show you how.
How I pick rosemary.
Just use these scissors and cut a small piece.
Can I take a lot?
Please take only what you need so others can have some too.
Do I need to wash rosemary?
Yes, wash it before you use it at home.
Thank you. My English not perfect. Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to use fresh rosemary for cooking.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your cooking and come back anytime.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the refill shop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to refill my dish soap bottle.
You want to refill your dish soap bottle?
Yes, we can do that here.
I not refilled dish soap before.
You have not refilled dish soap before?
No problem. Just give me your clean bottle.
What kind of soap you have?
We have lemon, lavender, and unscented dish soap.
Is it good for sensitive skin?
Yes, all our soaps are gentle and natural.
How much does it cost?
It is $3 for one bottle.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try refilling.
That's wonderful. Refilling helps the planet. Come back anytime.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the transport info window. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy a monthly pass.
You want to buy a monthly pass.
Yes, we have them here.
I not buy monthly pass before.
You have not bought a monthly pass before? No problem. It is easy.
How much does it cost?
It is $30 for 1 month.
Can I use it on bus and train?
Yes, you can use it on all buses and trains.
How I get a new pass next month?
You can buy a new pass here or online.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to travel with a pass.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your trips. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the rainwater garden. Can I help you?
Yes, I want water the vegetables.
You want to water the vegetables?
That's great. We use rainwater here.
I not use rainwater before.
You have not used rainwater before?
No problem. It is good for plants.
How I get the water?
Just fill your watering can from the rainwater tank.
How much water I use?
Use enough to make the soil wet, but not too much.
How often I water the vegetables?
Water them every 2 days or when the soil is dry.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to help the garden.
That's wonderful. The vegetables will grow strong.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the language picnic. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to practice English with a group.
You want to practice English with a group?
That's great. Many people are here to practice.
I not practice with group before.
You have not practiced with a group before?
No problem. Everyone is friendly.
How I join a group?
Just say hello and ask if you can join their table.
What we talk about?
You can talk about food, hobbies, or your day.
I am a little shy.
That's okay. Many people feel shy at first.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try.
That's wonderful. The more you practice, the better you get.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the pottery sale. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy a handmade cup.
You want to buy a handmade cup?
That's great. We have many styles. I not buy handmade cup before.
You have not bought a handmade cup before?
No problem. They are special and unique. What are they made from?
They are made from local clay and painted by hand.
Are they safe for hot drinks?
Yes, they are safe for tea or coffee.
Yes, they are safe for tea or coffee.
1 cup is $8.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to buy a special cup.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new cup.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the photo print shop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want print photos from my phone.
You want to print photos from your phone.
Yes, we can do that here?
I not print photos before.
You have not printed photos before.
No problem. I will help you.
What I need to do?
Please connect your phone to this cable.
Okay, it is connected now.
Great. Now choose the photos you want to print.
How much one photo cost?
1 photo is 50 cents.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to print my pictures.
That's wonderful. Your photos will be ready soon.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to Art Night. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about painting supplies.
You want to know about painting supplies?
We have brushes, paints, and paper here.
I not bring my own supplies.
You have not brought your own supplies?
No problem. You can use ours.
Is there a fee for supplies?
No, supplies are free for everyone tonight.
What kind of paint you have?
We have watercolors and acrylics.
I not use acrylic before.
You have not used acrylic before? I can show you how.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try painting.
That's wonderful. Enjoy making art tonight.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the music lesson booth. Can I help you?
Yes, I want try a new instrument.
You want to try a new instrument?
That's great. Which one do you want to try? I not play any instrument before.
You have not played any instrument before?
No problem. We help beginners. Can I try the guitar?
Yes, you can try the guitar. I will show you some easy chords.
Is it hard to learn?
No, it's not hard. Just practice a little every day.
How long is the lesson?
The lesson is 30 minutes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try music.
That's wonderful. Music is for everyone. Have fun.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to our breakfast stand. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if you have gluten-free food.
You want to know if we have gluten-free food?
Yes. Do we have some options?
I not eat gluten.
You do not eat gluten? No problem. We have gluten-free muffins and fruit bowls.
What is in the muffins?
The muffins are made with rice flour and bananas.
How much is one muffin?
One muffin is $2.
I not try gluten-free muffin before.
You have not tried a gluten-free muffin before? You will like it.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to find good breakfast.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your meal. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the tech recycling event. Can I help you?
Yes, I want recycle my old laptop.
You want to recycle your old laptop.
That's great. We accept laptops here.
I not recycle laptop before.
You have not recycled a laptop before.
No problem. It's easy.
What I need to do?
Just give your laptop to me. We will recycle it safely.
Do I need to remove the battery?
No, we can remove the battery for you.
Is it safe for my data?
Yes, we erase all data before recycling.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to recycle.
That's wonderful. Thank you for helping the environment.
Hello.
Hi, are you here to read?
Yes, but I also want to leave a book for others.
You want to leave a book for others? That's very kind.
I not do this before.
You have not done this before?
No problem. Just put your book on the shelf.
Do I need to write my name?
No, you don't need to write your name, but you can if you want.
Can I take a book too?
Yes, you can take a book to read at home.
How long I can keep the book?
How long can I keep the book?
Please bring it back in 2 weeks.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to share my book.
That's wonderful. Sharing books helps everyone read more.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to Soup Night. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if I bring my own bowl.
You want to know if you can bring your own bowl?
Yes, we like when people do that.
I not bring bowl last time.
You did not bring a bowl last time?
That's okay. We have extra bowls here.
Is it better to bring my own?
Yes, it helps us use less plastic.
Can I bring a cup too?
Yes, you can bring a cup for drinks.
How much soup I can take?
You can have one big bowl and you can come back for more.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to join Soup Night.
That's wonderful.
Enjoy your soup and the company.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the craft fair. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy recycled jewelry.
You want to buy recycled jewelry?
You want to buy recycled jewelry?
I not buy recycled jewelry before.
You have not bought recycled jewelry before?
No problem. It is made from old materials.
What kind of materials?
We use glass, metal, and plastic from old things.
Is it strong?
Yes, it is strong and beautiful.
How much is this necklace?
That necklace is $12.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to buy something good for the earth.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new jewelry.
Hello.
Hello. Are you here for the language wall?
Yes, I want to write a message.
You want to write a message?
That's great. What language do you want to use?
I want write in English.
You want to write in English? Perfect. You can use this marker.
I not write on wall before. You have not written on the wall before?
No problem. Just write your name and a short message.
Can I write hello, friends?
Yes, that is a good message.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to share my words.
That's wonderful. Many people will read your message.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Keep practicing and sharing.